Hey there YouTube, MS Firefighter 662 with a unboxed setup video. This is one of the patio heaters. It's a Mosaic brand. We picked it up from Academy Sports today. Black Friday sale, I believe it was $79. Some of the cheapest I've seen, as far as price-wise cheapest. We've been looking at them for about a year or two now. So I finally picked one up and we'll unbox this thing together, set it up and see how it goes. Instructions. Definitely be looking at those. Nice package of nuts and bolts. To be determined. Some kind of warning. Do not return to the store. Contact customer service via email and their phone number. See how many times I'll knock that over. Initial impressions, got some dents, bent edge at the bottom. This shield seems pretty good. As level as you would like. Alright, let's take a look at these directions. So looks like here's all the parts you're supposed to have gotten. Ring, 4 of those. It's like the burner itself. Those 2 tubes. The ring there. The big giant thing that's the base. Cylinder locking bar was that first thing we pulled out. Set of wheels. And looks like the hose that's already attached to the burner. And it says you should use an adjustable wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. And that would be all the parts you got in your hardware kit. Step 1 looks like attach wheels to the base with 2 of the Golf bolts. Let's see here. So let's get those out. And those Golf bolts are 10 millimeter. Alright, step 2. Gotta find, it's like a tube that has a flange on it. And that'd be E, ring F. Looks like this guy right here. And then looks like 3 of the FF bolts. Maybe I should have led with a nut driver. Impact. Let's go on to step 3. All right. Looks like we need to attach that upright to the burner with it's like the delta bolts times 4. This appears to be directional. If you look right here, the opposing ones, 90 degrees, look to be slightly different heights. Step 4, mount them. Delta to Echo with J bolt. Alright, on to step 5. Looks like we're going to assemble all the 4 segments of the disc. And we need, it's like 12 of the AA's, 12 B's, and 12 C's. Alright, that part sucked. Step 6, we have to put these studs on top of the burner. That'd have been cool to do before we put it on top of there. Step 7, we'll mount the dome. Alright, step 8, fill at least 23 pounds of sand not included into the hole. Yeah, we'll skip that step. Step 9, place gas cylinder not included into the base. Secure it with a locking ring. And we'll, after that we'll attach the gas hose, turn it on. There's 2 holes. Kind of hard to see because it's dark in here. One here and then one over here. Seems like it could do something. Hey, that's what we're talking about. So we got some, if you guys can see that, we're just burning off some oil from where it was machined, or well, I just had my fingerprints all over it. A little flame in there and low. On high. I'm standing about, I'd say 6 feet from it. I can feel it pretty well and it's still warming up.
Yeah, I can feel it.
I think this thing's going to be all right. So we're at 32 minutes total time. I have never assembled one of these before, as you can see. It doesn't take that long, and if you watch this, it'll probably go a little bit faster. I'll give it a initial thoughts after we run it for about a month or so, see how it does when we put it on the back patio. As always, thank you for watching. Please take your time to log into YouTube to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and always share. Check out my series on project reviews. I got some vlog stuff coming up, and yeah, subscribe so you don't miss out on all this good stuff. As always, thank you for watching.